Hi there, welcome to my channel Crewvn.com.
Ever wondered how boiler safety on ships is maintained? And what are the common risks involved? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? You see, boilers are an integral part of ship operations, providing the heat necessary for a variety of essential functions. But with great power comes great responsibility, and in the case of marine boilers, that responsibility is ensuring safety. Boiler safety on ships is a critical aspect of marine engineering. It's about understanding the risks, implementing safety measures, and constantly monitoring for potential issues. The common risks associated with boiler operations on ships can be many, ranging from fuel leaks to pressure imbalances. These risks, if not addressed, can lead to catastrophic consequences. But fear not, for every risk, there's an appropriate safety feature in place. From salinity sensors to low fuel oil pressure alarms, marine engineers have a range of tools to ensure boiler safety. In this video, we will explore the safety features and risks associated with boiler operations on ships. Boiler safety on ships is ensured through several safety features. Let's delve into some of these crucial components. First up, we have the local gauge glasses. These are provided in a duplex on the boiler drum. Their role? To make sure at least one gauge glass is operational if another stops showing the level. Pretty important, right? Next, we have remote water level indicators. These could be a differential pressure water level sensor or a probe level sensor. They signal the current level in the drum from a remote position, like the engine control room. Then we have the salinity sensor. This neat little device continuously monitors the dissolved solids content in the water. If the solid content, say salt, goes beyond the set value, it trips the boiler to ensure the tubes and boiler internals aren't affected by contamination. If this happens, it's time for the operator to either blow down the boiler and feed fresh water to the drum, or figure out what's causing the high salinity. Let's not forget about the fuel safety system. The boiler is provided with heavy or marine gas fuel oil to generate heat in the furnace. To make sure the fuel system is running smoothly, it has several safety features. There's the low fuel oil pressure alarm. If the fuel supply pressure dips below what's needed, the atomization of fuel won't happen. This can lead to fuel dripping inside the furnace and potentially cause serious injury. There's also the low or high fuel oil temperature alarm. The oil temperature controls the viscosity of the fuel, which is directly related to atomization and efficient combustion inside the furnace. If the temperature isn't just right, an alarm will sound. The flame failure alarm and smoke density alarm are also key players. These trigger an alarm if there's no flame inside the furnace or if the smoke density is too high. Lastly, there's the forced draft fan stop alarm, which ensures a proper mixture of air and fuel for efficient combustion. These safety features play a crucial role in maintaining boiler safety and preventing accidents at sea. Despite these safety features, there are still risks involved in boiler operations. One common risk is low fuel oil pressure. If the fuel supply pressure dips below the required level, the fuel won't atomize properly, leading to fuel dripping inside the furnace. This can cause a serious blowback of the burner, potentially injuring the operator. Another risk comes from fluctuating fuel oil temperatures. Both too low and too high temperatures can disrupt the fuel's viscosity, affecting atomization and efficient combustion inside the furnace. Then, there's the risk of flame failure. If the main burner fails to produce a flame during startup or suddenly stops, an alarm will sound, indicating a potential problem. Additionally, excess smoke density can also pose a risk, as it indicates poor combustion. And finally, if the forced draft fan, which supplies air for efficient combustion, stops working, it can seriously affect the boiler's operation. Being aware of these risks can help in timely identification and mitigation, ensuring safe boiler operations. Boiler safety on ships is not just about the safety features and understanding the risks. It's about operational efficiency, crew safety, and environmental protection. A well-maintained boiler ensures efficient operations, minimizing the risk of breakdowns that could interrupt a ship's voyage. It's crucial for the safety of the crew too. A malfunctioning boiler can lead to serious accidents, posing a threat to lives on board. What's more, boiler safety plays a key role in protecting our environment. Proper combustion in the boiler reduces the emission of harmful pollutants, aligning with stringent environmental regulations. But all these safety features and protocols would mean little without the people operating them. Professional engineers rely on best practices to efficiently run the machinery. They know that automation, alarms, and warnings are tools to aid them, not crutches to depend on. Remember, boiler safety on ships is not just about technology and features, it's about the people operating them. Stay safe, stay aware.